Hi guys, today I am going to show you disassemble of the new Dell Inspiron 3520 laptop. This is the laptop service tag and express service code area. Now unscrew the screws from the bottom base. This is the screwdriver. Unscrew the all screws. Okay. Now unclip or unlock the locks with a plastic scribe. This is the plastic scribe or a plastic opener. Gently unclip and unlock the locks. See how I am unlocking the bottom base locks. Now open the cover. This is the whole thing inside the laptop. This is the battery. This is the battery screws. Now disconnect the battery from motherboard. Unscrew the battery. All the screws should be unscrewed. Okay, this is a 2.5-inch hard disk casing. Now disconnect the HDD connector and take out the whole battery from the laptop. See, this is the battery capacity and this is the type number, battery type number. This is 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. See, I'm going to show you. See, this is 8GB PC4 3200. This is Wi-Fi card. Remove the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card. Remove. Okay. Now disconnect the keypad connection from the motherboard. Disconnect the touchpad connection from the motherboard. Disconnect the internal speaker connection. Okay, now disconnect the PRC fan connection, means this is processor fan. This is SSD. Now remove the 512GB 2280 NVMe SSD. This is the heatsink of SSD. This is SSD card 512GB. See, I'm going to show you 512GB 2280 NVMe SSD. See the capacity. I'm resetting the SSD again in the motherboard. Again I am going to set up the SSD. See, I have screwed the screw. Now remove the heatsink. This is heatsink screws. Unscrew the screws. Now remove the heatsink. See, I have removed the heatsink. This is copper heatsink. This is the copper line, and this is the processor, and this is thermal paste for consuming the heat. I have reseated the heatsink again on the motherboard. This is a display connector. I have disconnected it, and this is DC port connection for charging the battery. This is DC connection from the motherboard. I have disconnected it. Okay, I have reset the battery on the motherboard, and again reconnected all the connection. This is the input output board connection, and I am resetting the hard disk connection to the motherboard. Okay, I have reconnected the battery connection to the motherboard. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and share with your friends.